Again and again and again and again. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how we publish 623 articles in 6 minutes, 25 seconds. Before we previously published 1,000 articles in 30 minutes, then we did 888, and now we're doing 623 today. I'm going to show you exactly how we did it. Plus, this is the exact same technique that's helping me increase the income from $25 a day down there all the way up to $43 a day up there, plus all the affiliate income. This is just ads, of course. And we'll be using Auto Blogging AI, the tool that's helped me scale my SEO traffic from a measly 518 down there to a peak of 1,664 clicks per day. So if you want the same strategies and you want to know exactly how it's done, plus how I do it so quickly, then make sure you keep watching. So we have the next batch of keywords ready to go for our website, chipperbirds.com. And I just need to clean up the list because I can still see some duplicates like this when we sort out the keyword list. So how are we going to do that? Well, we're going to simply put this into ChatGPT like this. Let's paste it in and see what happens. It doesn't like it, so we're going to try again. I'm going to use ChatGPT 4 and we're going to paste that in. But this time round, we'll just paste in like, say, 200 at a time. So we'll scroll down here. Let's take 200 and hopefully that works this time. That does indeed. So what it's going to do is filter out the rest of the keywords, and I'm going to create a final list over here for my chicken related keywords. And basically what I'm going to do in today's video is start publishing and batching the rest of the content for this site, because since we ran the first experiment where we created 1,000 blogs in about 30 minutes, you can see that the traffic has just increased substantially all the way since March, which is absolutely crazy. I don't really see any signs of it stopping. If we check the website on Mediavine and how much money it's making from ads, it's up to $43 a day right now, and that is increasing all the time. If we actually look at the earnings and we go all the way back across the 1st of June, previously it was earning $27 a day, and that has just gradually increased now to $43 a day. So if we can increase this number of sessions per day by generating more content in bulk using the tools that I'll show you today, then all of a sudden we're going to get more traffic, more rankings, more money from the website. And this doesn't even include affiliate income either. So let's just get straight into it. So ChatGPT is filtering out the keywords and we'll tell it to continue generating like this. Honestly, I believe if there's 600 keywords like that, well, there's probably only going to be like 50 to 80% of them left after this little purge that we do. I'm just going to highlight the ones that I've already checked with the prompt in green. Basically what this prompt does right here is it cleans up our list to make sure that nothing irrelevant or no duplicates or anything with the same search intent is used in our list, because when you're creating content around that many keywords, well, it can turn into a big mess where there's tons of overlapping keywords that actually just cannibalize each other. So we've churned out and created our list of questions like this. And basically this is my plan to increase the website's traffic to potentially 6 figures a month. So the strategy that I'm using today, I've used before, but it's just a case of scaling it. And if you look at the website's traffic, obviously you can see that since we've started using this method, the strategies that I show in my videos, it's increased from basically nothing to roughly 94,000 visitors per month. Obviously, this is good for the ego, but it's not 100% correct. And now we've got the list of cleaned up keywords. We're going to insert the next 200, and we're just going to do 200 at a time, simply because ChatGPT cannot handle any more than that. So we'll paste that in. And previously, someone asked me about why I remove keywords like meat or eat, etc. This is simply because this website is about protecting birds, and it wouldn't really fit with the theme of the website if we started producing articles around eating chickens and that sort of thing. So we're keeping it vegetarian here, and that's just going to filter the next list of keywords that we can potentially use. And whilst we're waiting for that to be done, we need to make a couple of changes, because the tool that we'll be using is good old Auto Blogging AI. And actually it has a bunch of new features which are pretty interesting. I don't use any affiliate, I don't have any vested interest in this website. I'm just doing it for fun, and it's actually got me results in the past, which is awesome. Plus it just makes creating bulk content very easy. So what we're going to do, as you can see here, is select Godlike mode. Now this is going to use an additional extra credit, so it should be about $1.60 per article that we create. I've already plugged in my login details. I want to add FAQs and FAQ schema markup. I want to add an AI image in the content, and we're going to make sure it auto posts to WordPress. And there's a couple of things I need to do before. I'm going to activate the auto post scheduler. so that we can schedule that content when we publish it. We don't want to just create it all in one bulk. Obviously, that would rinse our crawl budget and hurt our rankings potentially. And there, I need to edit the theme file and add some PHP. So I need to add the entire code from this page to our functions.php at the end of the code. So we'll take the code like this, we'll edit our theme, go down to theme editor, click on functions.php, and we shall add that PHP code to the theme file editor like this, to the functions.php. It's been updated, happy day. And we also need to install the generated thumbnails once we've finished publishing, so not before. We're using Classic Editor already, which is good. So I'm going to bookmark that and we'll install it later. And I just need to activate the Publish to Schedule plugin over here as well. So I'll deactivate Auto Post Scheduler. I don't think that's been updated for a while and it's a bit of an insecure plugin. So instead we shall go with Publish to Schedule right here. And if we hit settings, we can choose how many blogs per day we post, the start time, end time. And basically the reason you want to do this is simply because if you publish all your content at once, for example, like 100 or 600 articles at once, it looks very sketchy to Google. Instead, if you publish your content and auto schedule it regularly, that looks a lot more natural in terms of content creation. There's no writer in the world who's going to create 60 articles or 100 articles in 1 hour, obviously. I've even got a cheeky mention on Auto Blogging's website, so look at that. I've made it, people. I'm famous thanks to you. No, I'm just kidding, but that is nice to see, definitely. All right, now I need to do a test push, and I also need to add my WordPress login details. So I've done that now, and we shall try sending a test post to drafts. So we'll hit send a test post like this and see what happens. Let's click on drafts. Another thing that we should probably do is, because we're creating a lot of images, we shall use Smush to optimize and compress them. Hit activate, and there we go. This just allows us to make the file sizes of images on our website much smaller so that they don't take up a lot of room. And now we just need to finish off adding our keywords as well. Got a bit distracted there on auto blogging, so we'll pop those down here and we'll finish off the last ones. And there we go. Final list of the last keywords. Paste them down there, paste them down there. Let's see how many we've got. So we started off with 610 keywords. That is filtered down to 359. I've added a bunch of keywords. We're now on Friday, and it is time to start getting these bad boys published. Now, there's one thing you must do before you publish content with any tools like that, and that is making sure that you capitalize each of the keywords you're going for, because you're going to be pasting these into auto blogging like that. And obviously you don't want all your titles to be in lowercase. That'd be very bizarre. So we're going to delete that. We've got our keywords ready to go. I've covered more about pigeons as well, just to fill out the keyword list, and we have 623 keywords ready to go. Let's pop them in. As always, we're going to start the stopwatch because time waits for no man or woman, and we shall go into quick mode. We only need to do 7 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. That's as far as I can count. Click on bulk generate, and we'll just start lining them up. And here's the settings that I'm going to use. So you're going to paste your keywords in here. You have your project name, that'll be totally random. We're going to make sure we use godlike mode for each article. And then of course we need to make sure we have our password in there. So I think we're ready to go. Let's hit the stopwatch. On your marks, get set, go. There we go. And let's see how quickly we can get these articles published. So we're going to grab the first 100 keywords like that. And ideally we're going to hit a new world record today. Let's see how it goes. Just going to make sure the WordPress password is set for each tab, as it doesn't seem to save it. There we go. All right, we'll grab the first 100. We've pasted the keywords in there. Project name, we'll just randomize that. Settings good to go, and we shall hit generate articles, and then we'll move on to the next 100. So we'll paste them in there. Random project name. We want to use godlike mode because we want the best quality possible, but just remember that it does cost 1 additional credit. Hit generate articles. On to the next list. There we go, 2 minutes in. Let's do the next 100. And we're having some technical difficulties here. It says it's not enough article credits to generate the requested topics. I do have credits, so I'm not sure why that is the case. All right, we're back in the game. So let's try again. Technical problem solved, but no world record today. So we'll hit generate articles. Yeah, we're good to go on that. Let's get the next 100. I can tell you for free right now, it is hard to do this at the same time as talking on a YouTube video. But that's the magic of it, people. It's all for your entertainment. Generate the next articles, and we're nearly there, nearly onto the final stretch. 6 minutes in, which is still pretty fast. I mean, let's be honest. We're doing well over 620 articles right now, and these actually rank, as I'll show you in a second. So there we go. Stop the timer. 623 articles done in 6 minutes 25 seconds, which means you're pumping out articles at a rate of 1 article per 0.61 seconds. So we like, that's fast. And then they'll just go through to my website and publish automatically. And that's how we're going to keep scaling this website, chipperbirds.com. As you can see, it's a really nice graph at the minute. Everything's looking good. Income's up for the website too, so it's making money with ads through these keywords. And a lot of the content from Autoblogging AI is indexing really quick and ranking really quick. So happy days. Cheeky pit stop on the clock watch today, but we keep it moving. So thanks very much for watching this video. If you want more free prompts and tools on how to use ChatGPT and AI to rank your website with SEO, then feel free to get this course. There's tons of stuff in it and a ridiculous number of videos that you can get for free. Within this course, you can get it for free right here. I'll leave a link in the description. And if you want more case studies, plus you want to see how this website performs after we've published this extra 623 articles, then make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.